Hey, what up you guys? So I wanted to come on here real quick before I get ready for bed, since my house is super quiet. I made these envelopes, right? Well, we have P.O. boxes, so I think I can show you. Okay, so this is an envelope that I made. I got inspired by LyricLover810 here on YouTube. So I did not come up with this. I give credit when credit is due. She basically used 12 by 12 papers to create these envelopes. How cool is this? This one was my first test. I kind of like messed up a little bit. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Go check out that video, and maybe I'll do a tutorial on my channel. But if you guys want to check her out and let her know I sent you. So this is the envelope that I will be sending Ara the Paper Treasury. She's having a giveaway, you guys, on her channel, so go check her out. These stickers here, Liana, it's a deal. She made these. She gave them to me last year, so I was looking through my stash and I'm like, I have to use what I have. So I'm giving these to her because I went to the 99-cent store and I saw these cute lace ribbon trim things. So I bought 2 sets and I figure I'll gift it with her. I'm gonna see if it fits in there. I think it does. She just required some confetti mix and I just punched it out with my mom's punch. I went to her house, she actually helped me. And I bought tissue paper because I went to Michael's, you guys, and they were charging like $5 or $5.99. Martha Stewart, they were gorgeous though. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, they were really pretty. But it was really small and for $5.99, I was like, you know, I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree next door, get tissue paper. My mom goes, I have a punch. She had 2 punches. I don't know, I think 1.5 inch and 1/2 inch. I'm not sure. So I wound up using the punches and punched away. That's what I did, and I used this pretty pastel colors. Ain't that pretty? My hands are swollen, you guys. I have to drink water. Oh. And I'm also including this cute little card that my mom made me a whole bunch of cards. And I just wrote something super simple like, you know, hey Ara, enjoy, happy crafting XOXO. I did send her some happy mail that I've been holding on to, and I finally sent it because, I don't know, you know when you get intimidated by certain crafters, you're like, ugh, I don't know if I want to send this because she's such a cool crafter. Anyway, so my friend Sabrina, she had given me these, and I thought that was so cute. And I was like, where did you get these stamps from? So she gave me some. So Ara loves stamps, and she's Mexican, and she's always talking Spanish. She's so cute. So I figure I'll give her these. It says sancocho and empanadas. It's like a Puerto Rican dish. I'm pretty sure other, you know, Spanish cultures, I don't know. Anyway, so I just put a butterfly thing, like post it, so she can pull it out if she wants to use this. She can. So all she required was basically 2 bows. Now this is the smallest I was able to make it. I used my envelope punch. They're not the same size because I measured wrong, and I did it in this really pretty, I don't know if you guys can see that. Can you see that? What is up with the lighting or something? It's like a glittery white paper. And then in there, I just added some tissue paper. So like the mailman won't like squish it and it won't be super flat. So that's what I rolled it up. I got that idea from someone who sent Craft Purge bows for her entry in December, and the girl did that with bubble wrap, and I thought that was genius. But right now I don't know where I put my bubble wrap, so I don't even think I have any more. That's probably why I can't find it. But anywho, so I just put tissue paper and it just works good. And I just put a little piece of cardstock and recyclable sticker package. So this is all you needed to enter, basically just the bows, but if you wanted a second entry you can do this. So I did that, which, by the way, you guys, do you guys know if there's a punch for this? If there is, let me know, because I would like to purchase it. It ends in April, so you guys have time. Check out my friend Ara the Paper Treasury, and yeah, you guys, and I'll check you guys on my next video. Bye.